The net present value or NPV is a financial metric used to evaluate the profitability of an investment or project. It is the difference between the present value of the expected cash flows from a project and the initial investment. A positive NPV indicates that the project is expected to generate a return on investment greater than the cost of capital and is considered financially viable. While a negative NPV indicates that the project is not expected to generate a sufficient return on investment and is not considered as financially viable project. In project management, NPV is used to evaluate the financial feasibility of a project. It helps to determine whether the benefits of a project outweigh its costs and whether it is financially viable or not. It also allows for the consideration of time value of money, which accounts for the fact that money today is worth more than the same amount in the future, accounting for inflation and opportunity cost and many other elements. An example of how NPV is used or used in project management may be in a form of a question, the kind you may get in your exam. For instance, investment required is $9,000 for a 3-year project, and it's anticipated to generate the following cash flows, and there would be $5,090 for year 1, $4,500 for year 2, and $4,000 for year 3. Assuming that the rate of return or discounted rate is 10% per annum, what is the NPV of the project? This means that the project is expected to generate a net present value of $11,352 minus $9,000 gives you $2,352 when using a discount rate of 10%. This also indicates that the project is financially viable as it is expected to generate a positive return on investment which is greater than the cost of capital. It is important to note that the NPV is sensitive to the discount rate used in the calculation. The higher the discount rate, the lower the NPV will be and the less viable the project will appear. NPV is a widely used metric in project management as it provides a clear and straightforward way to evaluate a financial feasibility of a project. It is usually used in combination with other financial metrics such as internal rate of return and payback period to gain more comprehensive understanding of a project's financial viability. See you in the next lecture.